Alright guys, so let's dig in to this cool packaging and let's see what it's like on the inside. So, reminds you of the Apple products with the good old wrapping paper. And then on the inside, we have no idea what's inside, but it's super tiny. Later on I'll show you guys in a different video how big this is compared to the other drones that I have messed around with, and it looks like they give you a bunch of spare props, and that is always a cool thing. Oh no, it doesn't come with props on it, and it has this menu board that's not connected, so I don't know how that works. But this is the little quad right here. It feels really nice in the hand, and that's the hopefully 30 connections.
Likey.